Assalamu alaikum, my dear children. I'm here with the last part of this sixth lesson, that is around the neighborhood. And let's continue our discussion from here. In the previous video, we have learned about the landmarks. Landmarks are the important places, famous places that we use to show the address, okay? Address of any place, okay? And let's continue our discussion from here, that is more in the neighborhood. Let us now read about some more important places in our neighborhood. What are the important places in the neighborhood, children? The first one is the post office. We go to the post office to buy stamps, envelopes, and to post letters. The postman brings the letters from friends and relatives to our houses. So what is a post office? A post office is a place where we go to buy the stamps and the envelopes also, and where we go to post the letters. If you want to post any letter, then you should go to the post office and you can post it. So what the postman will do? Postman is a person who will bring the letters from the friends and relatives to your houses, and also they will post your letter to your relatives and friends, okay? So this is the important thing in our neighborhood, that is a post office. The next is the bank. What is the need of the bank? We can keep our money and other costly things in the bank. Our money is safe here. So in the bank you can keep your money and whatever the important things like your gold, okay, the costly things you can save in the bank, okay? So that our money or whatever your important belongings are there, they will be very safe in the bank, okay? And hospital. Why we need a hospital in our neighborhood? Because we go to the hospital when we are sick or when we get hurt. Doctors and nurses treat us and look after us while we are there. So in the hospital, whenever you fall sick, you go to the hospital, and whenever you meet with an hospital accident and if you get any hurt, you visit the hospital, isn't it? And what the doctors and nurses will do, they will treat you, they will look after your needs, okay? They will look after you when you are there, okay? The next is a police station. Every neighborhood usually has a police station. Policemen and policewomen work here to keep the neighborhood safe. So what is the job of the policemen? They'll keep the neighborhood safe from the dangers like the thieves, okay? From the thieves and many danger things, they will keep safe, okay? Every neighborhood actually has this police station, okay? And what is this fire station? Whenever there is a fire in the neighborhood, the fire station sends a fire brigade and firefighters. They help in putting the fire out. So whenever any building or any house catches a fire, immediately this fire station people they will come here and they will put off the fire, isn't it? So this fire station is also important in the neighborhood. So in the neighborhood, how many places are there that are important to us? They are post office, bank, hospital, police station, and fire station, okay? Now next is here is a fun idea. Start a neighborhood kids club. Get together with all the kids in your neighborhood. So you start a club with your neighbors and you make a club with your friends, and once a week do something good for the neighborhood, and once a week do something good, like if anyone is in a desperate need of you, then go there and help them, okay? So once a week you do a good thing. Some ideas are cleaning the neighborhood park, visiting the old people in the neighborhood, and collecting old clothes and books to be given to the poor children, or planting a tree. So what are the other things, good things you can do in your neighborhood is you can clean the neighborhood park, and you can visit the old people in the neighborhood, and you can also get the old clothes from your neighbors, and you can give it to the poor children who are in need of them, okay? And also you can do the planting in the neighborhood. So these are the good things you can do with your friends, okay? Now what are the hots here? You have to promise that I promise that I will keep myself clean, then my house, my surroundings, my society, my state, and finally my nation will be clean, said former President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Our APJ Abdul Kalam Azad, what he said, he was a great man. He said that I promise that I will first he will keep himself clean. So first the thing you should do is, first if you should clean yourself, okay? You should make yourself clean, then you should make the house clean, then surroundings, then the society, then state, then finally the nation will be clean, of course, isn't it? How beautiful these lines were said by the APJ Abdul Kalam Azad, isn't it? The next is, can you also make a promise to yourself to clean your neighborhood, children? So today only you promise to yourself that you will keep the neighborhood clean, so that slowly it will become, our nation become a beautiful country one day. With the help of your friends, parents, teachers, and your neighbors, organize a cleaning campaign and ask the people in the neighborhood to keep their houses and compounds clean. So with the help of your parents and friends, you can organize a cleaning campaign and ask the people in the neighborhood to keep their surroundings clean, okay, and also their houses. The next is being a good neighbor. How can be you a good neighbor? How can you be a good neighbor? So to live happily in a neighborhood, we need to be good neighbors too, isn't it? For example, if you want to be a good neighbor, then you should do good things, okay. Being a good neighbor is to be ready to help other neighbors when they when they need help. So how can you be a good neighbor? Whenever any other neighbor in your neighborhood is in need, then you should help them, okay. Here are some ways that show that Million Joy's family are good neighbors. So Million Joy's example they have taken here, and there are some ways that makes Million Joyce a good neighbor. So you can try doing these too. Millie's parent let Zishan, their neighbor, to stay at their house till his parents come back from work. So Millie's parent, what they do means, Zishan's parent, they are working persons, okay. So whenever Zishan's parents are on work, this Million Joy's parent allow Zishan to stay at their home till his parents come back from the work. So how be a good thing this is, isn't it? How good thing it is. You should also help your neighbors in this way. When Mrs. Smith is short of sugar or anything else, mom gives her some from her kitchen. So Mrs. Smith is their neighbor, Million Joy's neighbor. So whenever if Mrs. Smith will be running short of sugar or anything else, so mom of Million Joy, she will give from her kitchen, it seems, to them. How beautiful thing, isn't it? Whenever your neighbor is in need of anything, you should give them, so that tomorrow also if you are in need, they will also help you, isn't it? Last year when Mr. Roy had an accident, dad and mom took him to hospital. So last year what happened, it seems, in Joy and Willie's neighborhood, Mr. Roy had an accident, it seems. He met with an accident. So who took him to the hospital means dad and mom of Joy and Millie. They took him to the hospital. So whenever anyone is in need of the hospital in your neighborhood, you should take them to the hospital, isn't it, if no one is there to help them. When Mr. and Mrs. Singh moved to the neighborhood, dad and mom helped them to unpack their things. So Mr. and Mrs. Singh, they were the new neighbors in their neighborhood, it seems. So dad and mom of Million Joy, they helped them to unpack their things, it seems. So they welcomed them to the neighborhood, and they welcome them to their neighborhood. When there is a celebration at home, dad and mom invite all the neighbors to celebrate together. Yes, whenever if any function is going on in your house, what you will do, what your mother will do, your parents, they will invite your neighbors also, isn't it? So Joy and Millie's parent also, they will also invite the neighbors, it seems, whenever they celebrate anything. So do you think that their neighbors would be in turn be good, be kind to them as well? Why do you think so? What other ways can you think of being friendly to your neighbors? Talk about it to your friends. So do you think that children, the neighbors would be in return be kind to them? Well, sometimes it doesn't happen. Sometimes after showing kindness also, the neighbors will not be kind, but still you have to show the kindness also. So one or the other day they will become a good neighbor, isn't it? So you should be keep on trying. And why do you think so? What are the other ways, what other ways can you think of being friendly to your neighbors? So what are the other ways? This you have to talk with your friends or with your family members, okay. Now let's have a glance over the complete lesson. A neighborhood may have houses and many other important places. Yes, many other important places like post office, bank, police station, isn't it? Hospital. These are the important places. There are some important landmarks in a neighborhood. Yes, landmarks are the famous or well-known place in the neighborhood, okay. A neighborhood may have a hospital, post office, police station, bank, and a market. There are some people called helpers who make our lives comfortable. Who are the helpers? Police officers, firefighters. These are the helpers, isn't it? Who live happily? To live happily in the neighborhood, we should be good to our neighbors. Yes, to live happily, you should be a good neighbor. So in this lesson we have learned about the neighborhood, what are the places in the neighborhood and how we should help the neighbors, and also we have learned about the landmarks, isn't it? So if you want to invite a new friend to your house, then you can use the landmarks, and you can show your address by drawing on a piece of paper. That is called as a map, isn't it? Well, that's it, children. Hope you people understood this lesson, and we'll catch up in the next video with the new lesson. Till then, stay connected, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.